the fun times start. We're going to execute our camp dates and deadlines. Start entering that in your planner or calendar. In fact, after you go through the first three steps, just go back and start thinking about when all of these things are going to happen and give yourself some deadlines. Build some margin into your camp planning. All right. Give yourself more margin than you think. So, especially during the camp week, you could be pretty excited. It's such an adrenaline high to be with the children and to doing the camp, and some downtime is really needed afterwards. So give yourself prepping 2 weeks at least to print, laminate things for your camp. If you need to make any special materials, if you need to print out things, whatever you need to do to get yourself ready for that camp, give yourself 2 weeks at least. And then on the decorating, give yourself a day or two to get your decorations up. You'll feel so much better if you don't do it the morning of or the night before. Give yourself some time. And then on the teaching side, just have fun. You don't have to be perfect at it. You're going to make some missteps. You probably are going to forget something. Kids don't care. They just enjoy it. A lot of this will just come to you as you start teaching the children. And then, as I said, give yourself some downtime, some reflecting time to make notes and discover what went well, what didn't go so well. If you do you want to do this camp again? If so, how do you want to do it differently? And go through the pics and the videos and really, discard those that didn't turn out and then keep the ones that are so cute that you want to use. And then last, post, and get those videos up on your social media and on your website for future recruitment for your studio. Think about the phrases that kids and parents used as you ended up your camp. What was fun? What did they actually say out their mouth? And write those down in a Google Doc and use those phrases on your website as testimonials from parents as to how great your camp went.